good morning 8th standard students. This is the first video of the poem The Elephant and the Tragopan, and this poem is written by Vikram Seth. So let's start the video. So children, you can see the picture of Tragopan. This is a bird, right? And in this poem we will see that how elephant and Tragopan, they both are personified. They are having the human qualities and they are discussing and talking so many topics. So first of all, we will collect the information about the poet. This beautiful poem is written by Vikram Seth, right? So when he was born, you see, Vikram Seth, he was born on 20 June 1952. Who is he? He is Indian novelist and poet. He has written several novels and poetry books. He has received several awards also, such as Padma Shri, Sahitya Academy Award, Pravasi Bharatiya Samman, W.H. Smith Literary Award and Crossword Book Award. And children, you can see the picture of Vikram Seth also in the video. Seth's collection of poetry such as Mapping and Basely Tales are notable contribution to the Indian English language poetry canon. The novel A Suitable Boy too is his notable work. So Vikram Seth is Indian poet, and his way of writing is also very interesting, children. You will see in the poem. And so many awards also he has received, like Padma Shri, Sahitya Academy Award, Pravasi Bharatiya Samman and so many other. So I can say that he is a famous Indian poet. Now let's start the poem. So this is the first stanza of the poem. They talked for hours, and at the close, at last the elephant arose, and with a modest trumpet call drew the attention of them all. So in this stanza, what the speaker is speaking? The speaker is speaking that all the animals, all the creatures are there, and all are talking to each other for hours. And finally, the elephant is standing there, okay, and with a modest trumpet call. So very calm manner we can say he started speaking, draw the attention of them all. So how sometime what used to happen that in the gathering so many peoples are there, all are talking, okay, but no one is talking to all. So that time someone used to take the leadership, and someone used to stand, and someone used to speak, and all the peoples used to listen to him or her. So like that, here only elephant is personified. Elephant is standing and started speaking, and everyone started listening to him. Now we can see something about the poem. So the poem established Vikram Seth as an eco-friendly writer. So what is the meaning of eco-friendly writer? Means the one who concerned for the nature, the one who is having the love for the wild animals and plants, the one who talk about the endangered species. In the poem The Elephant and the Tragopan, he has humanized the animals, and it has striking resemblance to human drama where animals have different views and they come together to discuss and reach a consensus on saving their home, that is the Valley of Bengal. So Bengal is the piece of land, here we can say, where all these creatures are living. And why all these creatures are having the meeting? They are having the meeting to discuss that how they can save their home. So the poet raises a serious concern about environmental issues. The animals discuss human temperament and selfish nature, and how in the name of development they are destroying nature. So here we can say that the poet is talking about environmental issue, and he is saying that how so many changes are happening around us, and knowingly or unknowingly, children, we are destroying the nature in the name of development. Like this, who is speaking? Poet is speaking to us. Okay, So now we can discuss the next stanza. O beast of Bengal gathered round. O beast. Beast means all the creatures, all the animals. Thou in our search for common ground. So they are saying, he is saying, elephant, that for common ground, what the common thing we can find out. I would not dream of unanimity. I hope our views may be reach proximity. I speak to you as one whose clan has served and therefore studied man. So he is saying that I will not speak anything useless. I will speak the truth because I have studied human beings, right? So here what is happening? Here all the animals are gathering and elephant started giving the lecture. And in the lecture what he is saying that we will talk something common, and the common is that they started blaming the human beings, that the human beings are destroying their nature. So now something in detail we can discuss the elephant and the tragopan. In the elephant and the tragopan, Vikram Seth presents the view of an elephant and a tragopan about the man. The tragopan had heard from a quail or a sparrow that man had schemed to spoil their land and dam their stream. They also planned to cut the wood. So wood here means forest. The tragopan was shocked by the news and rushed off to know the views of the elephant. Then the elephant emerged as an authority and presents his points of view as a member of the tribe in front of all the animals. The elephant has served man and hence qualified to present his finding to the other creatures, as all of them are caught in the same crisis. So all are facing the same problem, right? That their home is being destroyed by the human beings. So all are discussing, right? And the elephant is saying that I have served them, so I know human beings better than you all. So I can speak about them, right? Now we can see third stanza. He is a creature mild and vicious. So here elephant is speaking about the human beings. That human being is a creature mild and vicious. Means mild means you can say good. Okay, vicious, poisonous. Means the human beings are good also and dangerous also. Practical minded and capricious. Loving and brutal, sane and mad, the good as puzzling as the bad. So finally what the elephant is saying, that both the nature they are having, they are good also, they are bad also, they are practical minded also, they are emphatic also. Okay, emphatic means doing something with kindness without any reason. And all these points are making elephant puzzled. Okay, like how the human beings are, puzzling as the bad. The sticky center of this mess is an uneasy selfishness. And finally he is speaking about the human beings, that if all the bad qualities they have, why? Because of selfishness. So what is called selfishness, children? The one who always think only about himself or herself, then it is called selfishness. And in detail we can see, he lists the contradictory character of man that makes his behavior unpredictable. We cannot guess that what the human beings can do next step. This line is said by elephant because he has both good and bad qualities. He can be gentle yet hurtful, sensible yet stupid, caring yet cruel, sane yet crazy. The attitude of man towards the world is responsible for his behavior towards it. He thinks he is the master of the universe and has the right to exploit it for his benefit. As a result, he creates an imbalance in the ecosystem, endangering flora and fauna. Flora and fauna means plant and animals. He rips our flesh and tears our skin. So now the elephant started talking something very emotional, right? So that all the creatures will listen him, all the animals will listen him, and they will get attracted towards the speech of the elephant. He rips our flesh and tears our skin, for cloth without, for food within. So for the food purpose maybe, or maybe for the cloth purpose, the skin of the wild animals are or it is not allowed. This is called illegal, this is called poaching. But then also, if you will go in the market, you can find out that leather jackets are there, leather belts are there. Okay, so how these things are in the market, right? So they will say that these things are in the market. We used to take the skin from the dead wild animals. But then also you see, children, that much animals are not dying, how much product is available in the market, means somewhere poaching is happening, which is illegal. The leopard's spots are his to wear, our ivory unknot his hair, means ivory, even the bones are used as jewelry. Okay, the leopard's spot are his to wear. So everything how the human beings are using, all the points he is mentioning here. So thank you, children. Have a good day.